Yep, we're gonna try it again. Here's another Prismatic Evolutions tin display unboxing. Let's give it another try. Let's try to get that elusive God pack everyone's raving about. Let's give it another try. I've been opening up a crazy amount of Prismatic. If you guys are subscribed, you guys know that because you see the notifications for the videos. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe now. I unbox every new set. Journey Together is next, so if you want to watch any unboxings of Journey Together, please like and subscribe. The more faster the channel grows, the more unboxing you guys see. So, first pack, Magic, and no, got an Umbreon regular, hollow, rare. Other than that, nothing else. Okay. Maybe first pack Magic's not the one. Maybe it's really second pack Magic. Let's see. Anything. And oop. Hawlucha Pokeball was stuck back there. Got another. Oh, we got a Rhyfort Full Art Trainer. Nice. Have not pulled that one yet. So we got a double hit. I'm gonna bring the camera down. Rhyfort Full Art Trainer and a Hawlucha Pokeball. Not bad. Not bad at all. Off to a pretty good start. Let's see if we could keep this momentum going. All right, pack number 3. Let's go. And Badoo, Jolteon, and that would be it. I think I'm trying too hard for this God pack. If anyone has a God pack that they're selling on the East Coast, let me know. Nothing. Jolteon. Let's see. Come on, Jolteon. Give us something good. New Team Rocket set has been officially announced, and I believe that's coming out 2 months from now, I believe. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section below. We got a Briar Pokeball, and that will be it. All right, let's see what we could get. Oh, we got something. We got something. We got a Jolteon, Reverse Hollow Rare, and a Pyroar Master Ball. Wow, that's beautiful. That is a beautiful Master Ball. Really, really pristine card. First time I'm seeing the Pyroar Master Ball. Really nice. Vaporeon. Let's see what we can get with the Vaporeon. All right. Skip to the back. Riolu, Goldie, and Flurmane. That's it. Execute, Miltank, and Blood Moon Ursaluna. And that's it. Flareon. Let's see what Flareon could give us. For my next unboxing, let me know if you guys want me to open surprise boxes or binder collections. It's going to be one or the other. Let me know in the comment section below. Nothing in this pack. Go through, and nothing in that pack as well. So that entire Flareon tin was a bust. Nothing. Let's see, maybe, just maybe, Glaceon could save us. Alright, got Energy, Execute, Larry Scale, Dunsparce, Black Belt's Training, Bronzong, Ogre's Mask, Earthland Vessel, and nothing in that pack either. Another tin down the drain, I would say. Let's see. So we got an Energy and Kieran, Hydrapple EX. Ugh. It really does hurt opening Prismatic Evolutions. I don't know what's better, just burning your money or opening Prismatic Evolutions. All right, here we go. Skip all the way to the back. Bronzong, Houndoom, and a Leafeon. All right, Hollow Energy, Black Belt Training, Duskull, Heatran, Crispin. Oh, we got something. Two things. Wow, we got two things. Pyroar, Pokeball, which we just pulled a Master Ball, and a Goldeen Master Ball. Nice. This is just a regular Jolteon rear. So a double hit. It's actually pretty cool to pull both. We got a Goldeen Master Ball. I've pulled several Goldeen Pokeballs, but not the Master Ball version. Very, very nice. Gotta say, these Pokeballs and Master Balls look really good. So we did come out with 2 Master Balls for this set. And finally comes down to Umbreon. Come on, good luck. We need it. Two packs. All right, here we go. Great Tusk, reverse, Roto Stick, and a Flareon, regular rear. So, last pack magic, come on, come on. Last pack magic. All right, here we go. Dreepy, Miltank, Professor's Research. We got something here. Let's see what we got. Houndoom, Pokeball. Oh, Dunsparce, Master Ball. And a regular rare Vaporeon. Not bad, not bad at all. So we've actually ended with a total of 3 Master Balls. So it's not bad at all. This Houndoom looks really well. I'll give you guys a recap in a second. All right, so here's a recap. We got a Briar Pokeball, Hawlucha Pokeball, Rhyfort Full Art Trainer, Houndoom Pokeball, Dunsparce Master Ball, Goldeen Master Ball, Pyroar Pokeball, and a Pyroar Master Ball. So we came out with 3 Master Balls this time. Not bad. Really nice hits, actually. Not an evolution, but not bad at all. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Please like, subscribe for more videos. Take care, everyone.